Body image relaxation, free relaxations, guided meditation focused on self acceptance and self image. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Notice now how you are feeling, how you are doing right now is this moment. How does your body feel? Scan your body for a moment now. Starting at your feet, simply noticing how your body is feeling. Notice your feet, ankle, legs, hips. Continue scanning your body, moving upward to your stomach, back, chest, side. Mentally scan your hands, arms, and shoulders, your neck, head, and face. Where is your body the most tense? Where is your body the most relaxed? Just notice the state of tension and relaxation in your body. Notice how your body relaxes bit by bit without any effort on your part. See how your muscles become a little bit looser, less tense, naturally, just because you are taking a moment to sit quiet and relax without any effort or input from you, without you even trying, your body becoming slightly more relaxed with each passing moment. Think about your body image. What is body image? Maybe you think about the picture in your mind you have of what your body looks like. Maybe it's the idea you have about your body, your feelings about your physical self. Perhaps body image is a vision of how you think your body should be. What does body image mean to you? Take a moment how to consider your thoughts and ideas about your own body now. How are you feeling right now? Thinking about your body image. You might feel neutral, content, comfortable, uncomfortable, satisfied, dissatisfied, happy or unhappy, angry, afraid, accepting. Maybe a combination of things. Contradictory feelings are common, and it is okay to feel however you are feeling. What might it be like to accept your body just as it is? What if you felt okay about your physical self? Imagine for a few minutes what that would be like. Think about a time in your life when you felt accepting of your physical self, your whole self, or even part of yourself. Which part of your body are the easiest for you to accept? Imagine if you could accept your body as whole rather than as a collection of individual parts. You have been doing some difficult thinking these last few moments. Let's take a step back now. Mentally to relax, breathe in deeply and breathe out. Breathe in and out. In and out. Keep breathing deeply. Slowly, it feels good to take deep, calm breaths. Just relax for a moment while you notice your breathing. Just notice your breaths for a moment. If there are any areas where you are feeling tense, direct your attention to these areas as you breathe. Imagining that each breath in brings relaxation and each breath out expel tension. Breathing in relaxation, breathing out tensions. Each breath relax you further. Now I will say some body image affirmation. You can repeat these if you wish or simply relax as I talk. Each affirmation is true, even it may not seem true right now. Let's begin the affirmations. I'm okay the way I am. I'm okay the way I am. I can accept myself the way I am. My body is acceptable just the way it is. My body is acceptable just the way it is. I'm an okay person. I'm an okay person. I accept this body I am in. There is no need to be perfect. My imperfections make me unique. I am perfectly alright just the way I am. My body is a functioning whole. I am human and all humans have flaws. I can accept my imperfections. I free myself from judging my body. I am okay just I the way. I accept myself. Now that you have repeated some affirmations, take note of how you are feeling. What was it like to repeat or listen to the affirmations? It is okay to feel however you are feeling right now, good or bad. Accept the variety of feelings you may have. Take a moment now to just relax. Take a moment now to just relax. Let all the worries and tension go as you breathe slowly in and out. In and out. Let all the worries and tension go as you breathe slowly in and out. Continue breathe slowly, deeply, naturally. When you are ready to return to your waking level of consciousness, slowly leave this relaxed state you are in. Keep you a feeling of calm while becoming more awake and alert. Wake up your body and your mind. Move your arms and legs a little and feel your muscles reawakening. I will count up now from 5 to 1, and when I reach 1, you will be fully awake and ready to return your usual activities. 5, fully alert. 4, fully awake. 3, fully aware. 2, 1. Slowly put your hands on your eyes and gently open your eyes and enjoy this affirmation in your lives.